Hello again. Many of us have thought for a long time that the drive towards so-called net zero is raving lunacy. Still, saving the environment is a big thing at the moment, and nobody wants to hear about the disadvantages and financial costs of preventing climate change. Of course, Britain only produces about 1% of the world's greenhouse gases, so even if we did achieve net zero, it wouldn't make any difference to the rest of the planet. It would certainly destroy our economy, though, and create the worst poverty since the Middle Ages. At the moment, we are being urged to fit heat pumps in our homes and scrap our gas boilers. For the average home which has already been built, this would cost roughly £28,000. Where anybody other than the very rich are likely to find such a sum lying around is beyond me. Within 3 years, it will be illegal to install gas boilers in newly built houses, and they will all have to be heated electrically, either by heat pumps or some other system. This will make it much more expensive to heat a house. The aim is to get rid of gas boilers and gas cookers entirely, so everybody only uses electricity. The same is happening with cars, of course, with a ban on petrol-driven cars also due in a few years. I wonder if anybody has been thinking about the effect of the catastrophically high cost of electricity and how that's going to affect the whole electric car business. Buying electric cars is already far more expensive than those powered by petrol, but when the cost of electricity rises in October, electric cars will cost more to run as well. And all this is despite government subsidies on what is known as green electricity that we pay for in our bills. Where do viewers think that all the electricity, the extra electricity needed for heat pumps and electric cars will be coming from? At the moment, we buy some of our electricity from Europe, but the way things are going, that's likely to stop soon. European countries won't want to share with us. What happens if there is a cold winter and we need lots more electricity? The answer is very simple. We'll have to do without. There will be power cuts and possibly rationing. This country has managed to put itself in a disastrous position where we cannot generate enough electricity to meet supply. It will be a miracle if we get through the coming winter without power cuts. But what will happen as we ban petrol-driven cars and get rid of gas cookers simply doesn't bear thinking about. We will be heading back to a standard of living a good deal lower than anybody now alive can readily imagine.